Hello, I'm Ferdinand. I've been a software developer for over 6 years now and a brand designer for over 4 years now. But I know how it feels to be a frustrating tech student. I've navigated online courses, boot camps, and several tech roles. I've seen the gap between a fast-paced lecture and the reality of a difficult project. Lecturers often assume everyone understands, then drop an assignment that is 10 times more difficult than the exercises done in class. I've seen my classmates struggle on understanding basic concepts, often relying on AI to help them write codes they can't even explain or defend or even debug if the AI gets it wrong. And this is what I know. If you can't defend the code, then you haven't mastered the skill. And that is why I started Code with Ferdinand, where we have a 4-stage loop which we use to decode your challenges. Stage 1, diagnosing the hurdles. It could be a buggy project or a difficult exam topic that you want us to go through. We have no generic tutorial for you, but we follow what you want us to help you solve. Stage 2, decode. I don't just give you the logic, I give you the why so you can replicate the solution. Stage 3, rebuild. I provide CTO level architecture guidance on how we can build the solution 10 times faster with the help of AI. Stage 4 is defend. I take you through every single line of code so you can understand why it is there and what it does. So you can confidently explain the code to your lecturers or team members in your team. Stop wasting time scrolling through codes you don't understand. Book a free 30-minute diagnostic session today. We will identify the challenges you're facing and create a tailored learning plan just for you to bring you back on track. Let's turn that classroom confusion into career mastery. See you in the session.